Why are we forming buying clubs as one of the first steps in the formation of a community hub? Buying clubs essentially can be thought of as wholesale buyers. So just imagine hubs in every neighborhood and producers doing rounds, dropping off bulk boxes. And then hubs take it from there and coordinate the packing and the distribution of those bulk deliveries. Buying clubs are guided through creating efficient systems to distribute amongst their members. What we're doing is shaving off middleman functions in our food system. The piece that we're shaving off is what food distributors know of as the last mile. This is the distance food travels before it gets to its final destination. That last mile is notoriously the most expensive mile. We're kind of translating this into the last distance and the last effort that is taken to get food to the kitchens of communities. In time, hubs can develop infrastructure for long-term storage of food and also, kind of form community bonds in a way that we're not really practiced in doing. Imagine a subsistence village food system. The sort of kernels of truth that we might be able to pull from those are principles such as many hands make light work. By pulling into something such as taking on the last mile, community hubs do a lot to just establish a foundation for us to develop alternate economic models for our food system. Models that are rooted in grassroots efforts and tied to enterprising people. Buying clubs also make it easy for us to do the process of collective crop planning while bringing the specific voices of communities into the process. Outcomes of the collective crop planning process are cohesive supply and demand structure in our local food economy and committed relationships between producers and consumers beyond the standard CSA model. Imagine the strength in the scale of coming together as a community and pulling into infrastructure such as a community root cellar and contracting with a grower to fill that root cellar directly every winter. These are the things we can do with patchwork buying clubs and collective crop planning. By forming feedback loops between buyers and sellers in an efficient way, consumers are able to affect what producers grow, and producers are able to understand what consumers need better. Consumers are able to learn what our producers' capacities are when it comes to growing food, along with understanding what the capacities of our ecoregion are in terms of feeding us. Buying clubs are the framework we use to form truly meaningful connections with our local food economy. This all may sound really complex, but our focus and effort has largely been towards making this something accessible and easy for communities to do.